Hello friends, welcome back to our favorite channel NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss 20 questions on chapter biotechnology, and one thing I want to say that more the practice you will do, more the success you will get. So here we start our video. The first question is transfer of any gene into a completely different organism can be done through first genetic engineering, second tissue culture, third transformation, fourth RNA interface. Transfer of any gene into a completely different organism can be done through. Answer for this question is first one, that is genetic engineering. Question second, DNA probe is used in first gel electrophoresis, second northern blotting, third DNA fingerprinting, fourth interferon synthesis. DNA probe is used in. Answer for this question is third, that is DNA fingerprinting. Question third, artificial first artificial gene synthesized by Cohran was a gene of first arginine, second lysine, third alternating tRNA of yeast, fourth valine tRNA. First artificial gene synthesized by Cohran was a gene of. Answer for this question is third one, that is alternating tRNA of yeast. Question 4. PPR322 is an artificial gene vector which does not have first ampicillin marker gene, second cos site, third restriction site for Cal1 enzyme, fourth ORI. PPR322 is an artificial gene vector which does not have. Answer for this question is second one, that is cos site. Question 5th. The thermostable enzyme tag QPF P-flu isolated from the thermophilic bacteria are first RNA polymerase, second DNA primers, third DNA polymerase, fourth DNA ligase. The thermostable enzyme tag and P-flu isolated from the thermophilic bacteria are. Answer for this question is third one, that is DNA polymerase. Question 6th. B toxin kills the insect by first blocking the nerve conduction, second damaging the surface of trachea, third by creating pores in the tracheal system, fourth by creating pores in the midgut. B toxin kills the insect by. Answer for this question is fourth, that is by creating pores in the midgut. Question 7. Which is not an application of modern biotechnology? First, production of humulin. Second, developing of DNA vaccine. Third, gene therapy. Fourth, production of cheese and butter. Which is not an application of modern biology? And the answer for this question is the fourth one, that is production of cheese and butter. Question 8. Transgenic Brassica napus has been used for the synthesis of first, herodin, second, heparin, third, polygluconurase, fourth, cryprotein. Transgenic Brassica napus has been used for the synthesis of. Answer for this question is first one, that is herodin. Question 9. Transgenic tobacco plant was developed by process of RNA interference was resistant against the infection of first algae, second fungi fusarium, third bacterial Bacillus thuringiensis, fourth nematode Melodigni incognita. Transgenic tobacco plant was developed by the process of RNA interference was resistant against the infection of. And the answer for this question is the fourth one, that is nematode Melodignia. Question 10. The first clinical gene therapy was given for treating rheumatoid arthritis, second adenosine diaminase deficiency, third diabetes, fourth chickenpox. The first clinical gene therapy was given for treating. The answer for this question is second one, that is adenosine diaminase deficiency. Question 11. Genetic engineering is first study of extracellular extranuclear gene, second manipulation of gene by artificial method, third manipulation of RNA, fourth manipulation of enzymes. Genetic engineering is, and the answer for this question is the second one, that is manipulation of gene by artificial method. Question 12. Genetic engineering aims at first destroying wild gene, second, preserving defective genes. Third, curing human disease by introducing new gene. Fourth, all of the above. Genetic engineering aims at. Answer for this question is third, that is curing human disease by introducing new gene. Question 13. The TI plasmid is often used for making transgenic plants. This plasmid is found in first yeast as a tube microplasmid, second acetobacter, third rhizobium of the root of leguminous plant, fourth agrobacterium. The TI plasmid is often used for making transgenic plants. The plasmid is found in. Answer for this question is Fourth, that is Agrobacterium. Question 14. Which is not correctly matched? Agrobacterium ti plasmid. Second, Cosmid vector DNA. Rhizobium asymbiotic antofixture. Fourth, albinism autosomal recessive gene. Which is not correctly matched? And the answer for this question is third, that is Rhizobium asymbiotic nitrogen fixer. Question 15. The restriction enzyme EcoR1 has the property of first, endonuclease activity, second, exonuclease activity, third, ligation activity, fourth, correcting the topology of replace replicating DNA. The restriction enzyme EcoR1 has the property of, and the answer for this question is first one, that is endonuclease activity. Question 16. PB322, which is frequently used as a vector for cloning gene is first, an original bacterial plasmid, second, a modified bacterial plasmid, third, a viral genome, fourth, a transposon. Question 16. PBR322, which is frequently used as a vector for cloning gene is, and the answer for this question is second, that is a modified bacterial plasmid. Question 17. A transgenic rice, golden rice, has been developed for increased content of vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin D. A transgenic rice has been developed for increasing content of. Answer for this question is first, that is vitamin A. Question 18. The bacteria Pseudomonas is useful because of its ability to first, transfer genes from one plant to another, decompose a variety of organic compounds, fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil, fourth, produce a wide variety of antibiotics. The bacteria Pseudomonas is useful because of its ability to, and the answer for this question is second, that is decompose a variety of organic compound. DNA probe is used for first, DNA fingerprinting, second, detection of pathogenic bacteria, third, medical genetics to find whether a person carries a particular gene or not, fourth, all of the above. DNA probe is used for, and the answer for this question is fourth, that is all of the above. Last question, friends. Which of the following peptide chain is not present in mature insulin? First, A peptide, second, B peptide, third, C peptide, fourth, A and B peptide. Which of the following peptide chain is not present in mature insulin? And the answer for this question is third one, that is C peptide. So thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please do subscribe this channel, friends, and go through your preparation well. I think your preparation are going well. So keep smiling. Bye bye. Take care.